Welcome back to Omni Garage. So I'm going to show you the best 50 cents you can spend to look after your vehicle. But first you're going to have to spend $16.99 to buy yourself a 16-ounce bottle of rinseless wash. So what you're going to do is you're going to make up a 256-to-1 dilution of rinseless wash to a gallon of water, and you're going to use that solution in your windscreen washer reservoir, and you're going to use that to clean your windscreen when you're driving down the road, etc. So what we have found in our detailing business is that a lot of customers are bringing in their vehicles with a lot of water spots on their windscreen and up the side of the pillars and on the roof, and that's typically because they are using hard water from their house that doesn't contain a rinseless wash solution and is basically causing water spots to be embedded on the windscreen and on the paint of their vehicle. What a rinseless wash solution does, and what deionized water has, is that it doesn't contain any minerals, and so therefore you're not going to be able to induce any water spots onto your paint. If you don't have deionized water, what you can use is a rinseless wash solution, and that's going to encapsulate those minerals and basically pull them out of solution so that you limit the risk of inducing water spots onto your glass and onto your paint. So we know that the best process here is to use deionized water from our pure wash system. We're going to fill this up a gallon of water, and then we're going to add our rinseless wash to our dilution of 256-to-1, and then we're going to top up our windscreen washer reservoir.
Now the product of choice here today is the DIY Detail Rinseless Wash, but you can use any type of ONR or rinseless product in order to get these results.
So 256-to-1 dilution, so we're going to do half an ounce to a gallon of water.
Now this bottle will make up 31 total gallons at this dilution rate, which essentially at the $16.99 purchase price will give you a cost per application somewhere just over 50 cents, hence why this is the best 50 cents that you'll spend, but you've got to spend $17 in order to start. Mix up the product. It's obviously going to mix when you pour it in your reservoir as well,
and we can then top up so that we've got some nice clean water to clean our windscreen down with.
And this is something that you can prepare ahead as well. You could have a few of these gallons ready to go sitting in the garage, and then you can just top this up at ease without having to pull out your deionized system or to dilute each time.
So there you have it. That is the best 50 cents that you can spend on your vehicle to reduce the chances of getting water spots when you want to clean your windscreen down when you're driving down the highway. That's it from Omni Garage. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel so you get more helpful tips just like this one.